So now, going back to that, and you talk about AI and life science. So, because you're the CEO of Cyagen, for the people who now watching this, can you a little bit talk about, first of all, the role of your company Cyagen, which I have the pleasure of working for the past 10 years. But how are you going to strategize AI into current Cyagen offerings? And what's the significance of it? And what's the role of Cyagen in life science and biological science and drug discovery in general?
Yeah, in general, I'm thinking of what Cyagen is doing in our industry. So basically, we've been working with mice for so long, right? Basically, it's a modeling of the human condition, because you cannot do experiment right on humans, right? So you run experiment on the rodents, and so all we have been doing all these years is to tweak the DNA, the gene of the mice, right?
Yes.
And through the what we call the perturbation of the genes of the DNAs, you want to see changes. You want to see the phenotypical changes of the animal, and through that you want to infer if you do similar things to human, what's going to happen. This is all we have been doing. Well, so we use the mice as the model, and you can call this process as modeling. But at the same time, you can also transfer this kind of modeling to computers, to AIs. Mm-hmm. So, in a way, the animal model and the AI model, they're kind of interchangeable, aren't they? Can we think that way?
So based on what you're saying, for instance, because animal models have been being used for a while, right, in research, in drug discovery, in basic science, right, and they're very essential, right, to kind of mimic, in many cases, the human diseases, and to discover the pathway, disease pathway, anything, you name it. And we've been in the business of mouse models. So how are you going to integrate AI to it? And do you see one day AI is going to replace using animal models altogether?
You know what? I would say one day we're going to do away with using animals. We don't want to cause pain to the poor animals, but not in the short run. I think now we're understanding the animals or the human more and more, but actually we're only seeing the tip of the iceberg. Don't you agree? I mean, although you see a lot of progress in life sciences, and we're producing tremendous amount of data every day by this genomic sequencing, on DNA, RNA level, protein, but actually, still we don't know how they work inside the cells. We only kind of see the tip of the iceberg. So I think we're going to be needing the mice as a model of life sciences research for quite a number of years. I would say, I don't know, I mean, at least for the next 10 years, we're going to be still in need of mice. Yeah, but I think what we can do is to bring AI in and help with the analysis of the data you get from your research.